Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
As our family grew, our bike rack also needed to grow so that we could continue to go on family bike rides. This one by Stromberg Carlson is super nice. It holds 4 bikes. And what I love about this is it is very versatile and adjustable because we have every shape and every size of bike. So, like I said, it holds 4 bikes, and these little slots are where it cradles your tires. And so each one adjusts so that it will cradle your tires perfectly. And then on the top of your bike are these adjustable pieces, which slide down to hold onto the bar across your bike so that it is held tightly in place. Super nice. It also has these Velcro straps that go on the front and back tire of all 4 bikes to really hold it in securely. It fit in our 2-inch hitch receiver perfectly. I'm always nervous when we are carrying something on our hitch that it's wobbling and things are falling off. But if you look at this is our backup cam while we were driving, and the bikes don't move. Super cool. It also, when you're not using it, you can fold it up flat against your car so it's not hanging off. And when you're not using it at all, it folds up really slim to fit in your garage and not take up a lot of room. So if you have different sizes of bikes and you want to haul them all, get this rack. You will haul them safely to your destination and you will have a super great bike ride.
But that's just my point of view.